Alright, Engineering Order, Chapter 6, Engineering Drawing Standard Manual, NASA. 6, Engineering Order. 6.1, General Requirement. The use of the Engineering Order for the purpose of provision, release the drawings of the preferred method of the change of the drawing, although the method of directed the change of the drawing may be chosen by the project engineer. After the Engineering Order system is selected with the responsibility of the project design activity, assigning the number, maintaining the documentation system, and approve the executive order concerning the official parts of the original drawing shall always be available to others after in the either incorporation with the system reference the executive order of the revision block. The drawings are permitted in place for the use of a detailed list for the change of the 6.2 format sample. The following minimum information should be included with the engineering order. See Figure 30A of the page 66. Drawing in revision level. The number of the drawing of the change from the revision level affected the change exactly the same or more than one drawing. They be asterisk the drawing revision level block and then added the drawing number along with the next applicable executive order and number of the asterisk table of the field changing the executive order page number 1. If more than the executive order page is required for the additional executive order pages, will only know that those pages defective with the listed drawing executive order written against the incorporated revision. The revision listed with the provided with the configuration management or the time of the drawing change of the incorporation. Outstanding executive order numbers may be incorporated under one of the revision letters. The title of the drawing revised. The next assembly number of the drawings effective with the change using on the type of the equipment with the ground support of the equipment GSE or flight FLT. The program name with the program revision. The reason of the change necessary for the rather than description of the change, the configuration change request, and the CCR number that classified they provided with the project engineering with the applicable when required for the CM or the configuration management manager. Type of the engineering order. The advance notice for change of the drawing shall be taken the place that the sum of the feature of the serve the engineering order may be incorporated under the same of the revision of the letter. Deviation. Record of the change of the manufactured part of the change to be accepted. The discrepancy correction in a part of the executive order would be decided with the back of the slash instead of the executive order revision letter and identify with the deviation for the serial number in the revision block. No physical change of the field of the drawing will occur. Other recorded special testing the circumstances that might be required for all parts. 9. Description change that may be made for those shown with using the words was or now, remove or added the word delete, the cancel or superseded may also be used in the situation superseding the previous engineering order was or now currently condition may be also be shown justifying the previous engineering order has been incorporated. If the current engineering order format is insufficient with the size or sheet 2 or more shall be added. If the large page is required to supplement, the sheet shall be prepared with the required regular engineering drawing size. Reproduced and volume should be stated with the supplemented sheet is page blank of the engineering order number of the drawing, the number of the blank, and the description and area of the page 1 of the engineering order to see the supplemental sheet of the page blank of the engineering order. The engineering order must be approved with the engineering order note with the pass on the line strikeouts for the permitted letters, and there must be 12 inches of larger uniform size. 10 sheet of blank is indicated the number, the total number of the engineering order sheet. On the remaining sheet, the number of the particular sheets of the engineering order only. Disposition action to be taken with the result of the change effective with the change of the action limited to the number of the series of like fill of the series number of the dated with the change of the drawing by the signature date and the Goddard Spaceflight Center code. Issued the signature date and the Goddard Spaceflight Center code with the configuration management official. Check signatures date of the Goddard Spaceflight Center code, but the particular signatures check should be those of the person who approved the original drawing, approved the signature date and signature date of the Goddard Spaceflight Center code, with the engineer signature date of the Goddard Spaceflight Center code, with the project responsible engineer, the CBC, the configuration control board signature, the job order number, the fabrication number to be assigned with the significant engineering code, the engineering order number to be assigned with the configuration management office, with the designated representative of the program executive order. It is being written with the engineering order number to issue the numerical sequence against the particular drawing number when the engineering order is sent to for checking. Figure 30 shows the engineering order. Figure 30 shows the engineering order sheet 2. Alright, 7. Drawing revisions.